What are the alternative methods to charge earbuds without their charging case?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the topic of charging earbuds without their charging case. We all know that sinking feeling when you realize you've left your earbud case at home or worse, lost it entirely. But don't worry, there are alternative methods available.
What do you need to understand before you start?
Before we delve into the specifics, it's important to understand that not all earbuds can be charged without their case. These methods may work for some models, but they're generally not recommended by manufacturers. Always check your earbud specifications and manufacturer recommendations to avoid damaging your device.
How can a universal charging case help?
One of the more reliable methods for charging your earbuds without their original case is by using a universal charging case. These are third-party products that are designed to be compatible with a variety of earbud models. They often come with different-sized inserts to accommodate various earbud sizes. However, be sure to check compatibility before purchasing one.
Can a wireless charging pad be used?
If your earbuds support wireless charging, you can use a Qi-enabled wireless charging pad. Just place your earbuds directly on the pad, ensuring that the charging points are touching the pad's surface. Keep in mind that this method might not work for all earbuds, and it's best to check your earbud specifications beforehand.
What about a DIY charging method?
A less conventional method involves using a power source, a USB cable, and some DIY skills. By finding the positive and negative terminals on your earbuds and connecting them with the appropriate wires from a USB cable, you may be able to power them directly. Be aware, this method is risky and not recommended unless you're certain about what you're doing, as it could potentially damage your earbuds or even cause a short circuit. So, there you have it, alternative methods to charge your earbuds without their charging case. Remember, these methods are not universally applicable or necessarily recommended, so proceed with caution. Hopefully, you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tech solutions.